Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Google Sheet to Make.com. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log in to your Make.com account. After that, we are going to create a new scenario. So click on the create scenario option at the top. That's right. And then right here, we just have to search for Google Sheet. All right. So let me just type it right here, Google Sheet. Okay, so we have it. So click on the Google Sheet and then you just have to select your trigger. So for example, I'm going to select the first one. Okay, so after that, you just have to create a connection. Okay, and then you just have to sign in with your Google account. So after you sign in with your Google account, right here, you'd be able to see the connection section. So for the search method, we are going to select the from all option. Okay, and then for the spreadsheet ID finder, you just have to tap it out right here. And then for the table contains headers, I just going to select yes. And for the row with headers, so we have this one. And for the maximum number of results to be worked with during one execution cycle, we're going to tab out two. After that, you just have to click on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.